Welcome to Thursday Shy, and today we have an excited event. So if you guys didn't watch, we bought a pool for our dogs, but they didn't like it that much. But today, Luki looks excited to try it again. So we're putting the pool in the back, and I just came in quickly just to grab the ball, and let's take him out. He looks so excited. Come on. Grace is already here. Let's put the water and then let's see his reaction. So last time he didn't like water. He's not a water fan, but he looks brave today. Yuki, you wanna play in the pool, buddy? Gracie, you wanna play in the pool? Gracie likes water, so I think she would at least try, but I don't know about him. But he does look excited, so he's so cute. Okay, you're drinking the water, buddy. You wanna play? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? I brought him toys outside to see if he gets more into the pool. So okay, so we have a little bit of water, and we're gonna try. Luki. Let me put the camera. Come in, Luki. Come in. Come in, Luki. Come in. Luki, come in. What is it? Come in, buddy. Go in. Come in. No, Luki. Luki, come here. Buddy, come in. He thinks it's a big bowl of water. Come on. Come on. Gracie, come in. Come in. Jump here. Luki, come in. Come in. Jump in. Luki, in. Gracie, come in. Come in. Good job, lady. Go in. Lady, come on. Drop it. Drop it. Come in. Go in. Go in. Come in. Jump in. Jump in. Come on, lady. And come on. Go in. Go in. Come on. Come on. Good job. Good job. You stay. Good job. Don't drink it. Lady, it's warm outside. Oh, look, I have. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Luki, come on. Come in. Jump in. Come on, jump in. Jump in. He doesn't want it. Yeah, Luki is not going in so far, but Gracie. Oh. She goes in without any problem. He doesn't like water that much. Try, Doogie? No. She gave you back. What is this? What is this? This is like volleyball. Is she doing that on purpose or just dropping? I almost dropped on my face. I think it's. She was trying to catch. You want to try, buddy? You want to try? I thought today, because I was telling him to, if he wanted the pool, he was so excited. I thought he was going to give a try, but he's just watching where she is in the pool. He doesn't like water. He doesn't even like showers. So, but I was excited for him to try. Baby, you want to try? Go try. Go, Luki. Go. She goes without any problem. Let's see. I'm gonna keep him outside a little bit to see if he goes in. So far, no luck. Okay, so we're trying like this now. throw in the ball there and see if he can. At least like 2 paws or 1 paw in. It doesn't need to go all like the entire body. Get the ball, buddy.
Hello?
He steps back and let her get it. Good boy! Come on, get it! Good job, Ricky. Again, Ricky, get the ball, buddy. I don't think you're gonna get it. Oh, thank you, lady. Buddy, I didn't start yet, buddy. So as you guys can see, we're already back in, and Lucky didn't went to the pool, but as a reward for them and like a brain teaser, because it also helps them to stimulate in the brain and also is a way of exercising. It makes them tired. I'm gonna show you guys what I do for Gracie and Dookie, and it's super simple, and I feel like for them it works better than the other toys, because they did have like those tower that you put the toys inside and then need to take it out, but that one Gracie finished like super quickly. So okay, so what you guys gonna need is a pillowcase, like an older pillowcase, a new pillowcase, and treats. I'm gonna be using, I need to see how I'm gonna record it so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this quickly and then I can place down so you guys can see how it works. But basically, you need like a pillowcase. So this one is a pillowcase that I got it for both of them. So it is like the same. So basically what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna take your, wait buddy, your pillowcase. Or you can let them play like this too. You want to play like that? Okay, come on. Anything that makes you guys tired. So, okay, and then choose any treat. I think it's better if it is like those treats that is easy to break, because you're gonna have to break in tiny pieces and then roll on your pillowcase. Okay, and then we're gonna put this flat somewhere. I'm gonna use the floor. Okay, so you guys get your treat. So you're gonna place small like pieces around, like, but it's basically gonna do this the entire thing. So you place here and then you roll it, and then you're gonna do this again. You're gonna put it more. Okay, you put it there and you roll it again.
Move ring closed.
You're gonna, this part you're just gonna get in here, then you're gonna twist and then just lock. So here you can make like tighter if your dogs finish like fast. Mine they do, so I do a little bit tight and then I do another one here. And then you can just put like some treats here, just so they understand he has treats. That's it. So then you'll be left with this, and then I'm gonna put this one on the side, and then I need to do another one because Gracie and Nuki and Gracie. So yeah, be right back. Okay, so now I have both of them, and then I'm gonna place them a little bit apart. So I'm gonna put one there, and I'm gonna put one right here. And so basically you're just gonna let your doggies go, and then they're gonna be like sniffing, trying to get the treats, and that like helps them, stimulates their brain, and also exercise them. So Dookie stay, Gracie free, go that one, and then Dookie free, go this one. So now they're probably gonna take maybe like 10 minutes around that. So now they just need to like undo the knots and then try to get the treats. Let me see if I can show you better like this, both of them. Oh, he already did one. She likes to lie down with hers. They're so cute. Oh, she already also did hers. Maybe they're gonna finish this one pretty fast. He bites it. She's more like, she likes to use her paw. And he likes to like bite. Let's see how long it takes them. So that's it. So Gracie, where's Gracie? Oh, here. Gracie's done. Now she has her other toy. Lucky is playing with the pillowcase now. He likes to pull. Oh, he's still looking for more treats. But if you guys like this type of video and you want to know more about our doggies, Lucky and Gracie, subscribe to our channel, leave a thumbs up. We post a video every Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and see you guys in the next video.